Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing in PepsiCo, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing in PepsiCo, first, research the company to understand its business model and financial health. Review PepsiCo's recent earnings reports and look for key performance indicators such as revenue growth and profit margins. Next, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform that suits your needs. Ensure that you complete the registration process by providing the necessary identification and financial information. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Now, search for PepsiCo using its stock ticker symbol, which is PEP. Evaluate the current stock price and consider setting a budget for your investment. Decide how many shares you would like to purchase based on your budget. Consider whether you want to place a market order or a limit order for your purchase. A market order buys shares at the current market price, while a limit order buys shares only at a specified price. Once you've made your choice, enter the order details in your brokerage platform. Confirm your order and review the transaction before finalizing. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly to track its performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or company news. Finally, think about your long-term investment strategy, whether you aim for capital appreciation or dividend income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.